to transfer money from USA to Cyprus on PC. Now we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees, and if you use the link below, you will be able to benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now first of all, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be United States, and select your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Cyprus. If you don't find it, just save it in the search bar, as you can see. Now after that, enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example $1,000, and click on get this rate. Now log into your account. Now if you don't find your recipient destination here, just click on it, click here and type it in the search bar. For example, Cyprus. And now after that, click on send money. And now as you can see, select your recipient, send money. Now enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example $1,000, and now click on continue. Now select your bank or your delivery method to recipient. Now as you can see, bank deposit, cash pickup, debit or deposit. Now click on bank deposits and now select your recipient bank, for example this bank. Now provide your recipient name and click on continue. Now if you have the recipient mobile number, you can provide it. If you don't have it, click on skip. And now finally add a new card and click on continue. Now provide your debit card info and click on next. But before going and transfer that money, double check your debit card info before going and send the money to your recipient. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Cyprus on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.